Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Idea English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class 5 students. Our today's topic, Unit-1, Lesson 4 to 7 discussions. So let's see what today's class. So class 5, subject English, term Haviali, lecture 2, no SW today, topic Unit 1, lesson 4 to 7 discussions, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, so before going to the lesson 4 to 7, let's take a look at the word and synonym. So chat means talk. The synonym of chat is talk. Friend, synonym is companion. Idea, synonym is thinking. Language, tongue, we say mother tongue, so mother language. Listen, hear. Practice means rehearse, you are rehearsing something. New, unfamiliar, so something new, something is unfamiliar, not familiar to you. Speak, talk. Sure, certainly. Want, desire. And watch, see. So these are the word and synonyms. Let's go to the book. Open your book and go to page number 4, Unit 1, lesson 4-5. So let's read Toma, and you can see the pictures, Sim and Tomo, and there is a young man, Mr. Andy. Okay, let's read. Sim and Tomal are in the Town Hall Language Club. So Sim and Tomal are in the Town Hall Language Club. They come to the club to practice speaking English. Why they have come? They have come here to practice speaking English. They listen to CDs and watch DVDs in English or speak with friends. Today there is a new person in the club. This is a new person in the class. He is a young man. He is reading a book about Bangladesh. So this is the young man and he is reading a book about Bangladesh. Sima, look, Tamal, who is that gentleman? Do you know him? Tamal, yes, that's Andy Smith. He's working with an NGO here. I met him yesterday at the bookshop. Sima, maybe we can practice our English with him. Tamal, good idea. So idea means thinking. So I will introduce you to him. Come with me. So we're moving to next page. In lesson 6 and 7, unit 1. So Sim and Tamal are going to meet Mr. Andy Smith. Andy Smith. Okay, Tamal. Hello, Andy. Andy. Hi, Tamal. How are you? Tamal. Fine, thanks. Andy. Meet my friend, Sima Jaman. And Sima, this is Andy Smith. Sima. Hello, Mr. Smith. Andy. Hello. Please call me Andy. And can I call you Sima? Sima. Sure. Andy. Please sit down, let's chat. So chat means talk, discuss, speak. So this is our today's class, my dear students. So read the Unit 1, lesson 4 to 7 very carefully, and we can do exercise F, pair work, ask and answer the questions. You will do this at your home. Okay. So thanks for watching this class, my dear students. So stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.